Yeah, good evening everybody. It is still Friday the 14th. An absolute deluge. At about 4:30, 4:28, it started raining here, and I would say at 8 to 9 to 9 to 10. And it's been raining ever since. It's about 5:10. So we're talking over a half an hour already. And I mean, the sky opened up, and the hardest rain of the three today, but we've had 3 rains like this in a single day. This is absolutely incredible. This is a deluge. I don't know if, I haven't heard anything on the weather about any. As a matter of fact, we were supposed to have sunny skies, partly cloudy today. So wherever this came from, and for the first time, this one actually came up from the south, which is an indication of rainy season. But wow, it is just it's beyond crazy. I wish I would have caught it a little earlier here. I couldn't get to the house, it was pouring so much. And finally starting to slow down now. But wow. And I mean, when it opened up here. So we're talking probably 40 minutes, 45 minutes. It's slowing down now to maybe a 3 to 4, 4 to 5. But you can hear the thunder, the lightning. Wow. Absolutely incredible here. So I've got 3 videos today, and they're all about rain. Wow. And the second rain, our pond was at a foot. It came up to 16 inches at the second rain, and I'm sure it's up another 4 to 6 inches now because of this one. This is, like I said, it hasn't rained in Bohol like this. I can't even remember the last time. Probably 2017 when we had the year with all the rain. Since it's even come close to raining like this. Wow, and here it comes again. And Beth, she's soaked. You better get in the house, Beth. I don't know. Let me look for him. You want to... Yeah, we're missing one of our dogs, the black one. So I'll be the one to look here. Yeah, Beth is already soaked there. Wow. And this afternoon, Lando and I were turning dirt in our rice fields because I turned the top 5 rice fields into rows to plant vegetables, and we were just turning the dirt there to kind of get ready to put some compost on, and wow. Like I said, this is just... We've gotten more rain today than we have last year in one day. And as you can imagine, most of it is runoff, and now it's picking up again. And I don't know if you can see here. Yeah, our puppies are down there. Yeah, all huddled together. We're missing one. So, what? Beth is looking for him now. Wet? Oh, yeah, soaking wet. Well, I'm going to say goodbye. We got to dry this puppy off because they'll get hypothermia. And they'll start shivering and get hypothermia. They're a little bit too young, so Beth is going to wipe them off here. Was he back by the wash machine?
No, he's hiding under the flower.
Oh, God. Oh, boy. Yeah, it's picking up again. And look at, I can't even remember the last time we had water on the porch here. I don't think we've ever had. It's just raining so hard. The water's just got nowhere to go here. Yeah, put them all in there. Come on back and get the other ones and put them all in the kitchen. Yeah, we got to take care of our little guys here. Like I said, even though it's hot here, they can get hypothermia real easy, being so little and so young. So, wow. And of course, this is where our big old rooster and that, they hang out here every night. They're here. And you can hear the thunder. This hasn't stopped. Oh, Beth. Beth is soaked here. Oh, yeah. So we got to get the rest of them here and dry them off. We got them all now. We're going to put them in the kitchen where they'll be dry at least. Because complete surprise today. I don't know what's happening. Like I said, it was calling for sunny, partly cloudy today. They not only missed this completely, they missed this so big I can't even believe it. And that was the weather forecast after our rain in early a.m. this morning. They were still forecasting. Of course, we did have some sunshine and the heat went way up, but nobody really forecast this. Wow. Incredible. This is, like I said, more rain in one day than we got the whole last rainy season. Wow. I'm just absolutely amazed. I've never seen it rain here in one day like this unless we had a typhoon. And we haven't had a typhoon here for years. 4 or 5 years, and and that didn't even rain like this. Not even close.
Let's get the pan now.
What?
That pool is almost full.
Yeah, our pool almost full. Almost at overflow. That's how much rain we've gotten today. Yeah. Oh, and our neighbor's dog is even up here. Oh, wow, standing out in the rain. Feel sorry for him. Come on. Oh, yeah, you got to be careful with the dogs in this kind of weather. Now with the evening coming up too, when it's going to be cool, they get soaking wet. Hypothermia. Their body temperature is quite a bit higher that they have to maintain than humans. So this can affect them really bad. And still raining. Oh. We're approaching in 10 minutes. It's going to be an hour. It's been raining like this. Oh wow, I hope that dog gets under cover. It's our neighbor's dog. Comes over here. I think he's afraid of the other dogs going after him. Oh wow. Oh man, not good at all. It'll be so wet. I always worry about the animals. I'm an animal lover. Oh, look at this. Oh boy. You better get some dry clothes on, Beth. So I'm going to say goodbye to everybody here. It don't look like it's going to slow down or stop here anytime soon. And there's going to be a lot of flooding on account of this. No question about it. Because all this water flows downhill and the creeks are going to be high. And like I said, if you're on the flats down there, boy, be prepared. I'm going to go down. I'll go down there. Use the where's the umbrella?
That's just one.
Oh, where's the other one? In the truck? Yeah. She's going to go get the big umbrella so I can walk down to the pond, put my boots on. Oh, she's crazy. The Filipinos are used to this. And it's always a warm rain. It feels cool just because the normal daytime temperature 95 to 100. And it's probably down in the mid 80s, about 83 to 85 right now with the rain. But there is no outlook here of it slowing down whatsoever. Absolutely incredible. So I'm going to let you go from behind the camera here. Everybody have a good day. Wow, have we been blessed? Have we ever been blessed? I feel sorry for some of the people in the low spots. There's going to be, if this is in Cebu, there's going to be massive flooding. Absolutely massive flooding. So let's hope and pray for them there. Oh, until next time, everybody have a good day. Like and subscribe. And God bless every single one of you.